Success often requires a willingness to embrace discomfort and uncertainty. Stepping outside of one's comfort zone and taking on new challenges can be daunting, but it's often necessary for growth and progress. Success is not a one size fits all concept. What success means to one person may be very different from what it means to another. It's important to define success on your own terms and pursue it in a way that aligns with your values and goals. Success is not just about achieving a specific outcome, but also about the journey and the process. Enjoying the process, learning from challenges, and finding joy in the pursuit of a goal can be just as important as achieving the end result. Success often requires a willingness to ask for help and collaborate with others. No one achieves great things entirely on their own, and seeking support and guidance from others can be essential to achieving success. Success is not always linear or predictable. It's important to be open to new opportunities and to adapt to changing circumstances along the way. The path to success may be winding, but it can be equally rewarding.